Yeah.
I got loyalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though ambition, flow inside my DNA. I was born like this, and born like this. Immaculate conception, not transform like this, perform like this. Which tells you a new weapon. I don't contemplate.
Sorry.
Meditate off your fucking head. This that puts the kids to bed. This that I got realness. I just kill shit 'cause it's in my DNA. I got millions, I got riches building in my DNA. I got doubt, I got evil that rot inside my DNA. I got love, I got trouble, some heart inside my DNA. I just win again, then win again like Wimbledon I serve. Yeah, that's him again. The sound the engine in is like a bird. You see fireworks and Corvette tires skirt the boulevard. I know how you work, I know just who you are. See, use a picture, almost probably switch inside your DNA. Problem is, all that sucker shit inside your DNA. Daddy probably snitch, heritage inside your DNA. Backbone don't exist, burn on side a jellyfish, I guess. See my pedigree, most definitely don't tolerate the front. Shit I been through probably offend you, this is Paula's oldest son. I know murder, conviction, burners, boosters, burglars, Paula's dead. Redemption, scholars, fathers dead. With kids and I wish I was fed. Forgiveness, yeah. Soldier's DNA, born inside the beast. My expertise checked out in second grade. When I was 9, on some hotel, we didn't have nowhere to stay. At 29, I've done so well, hit cartwheel in my estate. And I'm gon' shine like I'm supposed to. Anti-social extrovert, and excellent mean an extrovert. And absentness, what the fuck you heard? And passiveness never struck my nerve. And that's a riff gonna be
African Americans and racism in recent years.
I live about my DNA. This is my heritage, all I'm inheriting. Money and power, the maker emeritus. Tell me something, you motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. I'd rather die than to listen to you. My DNA not for imitation. Your DNA an abomination. This how it is when you in the matrix. Dodging bullets, reaping what you're sowing. Stacking up the footage, living on the go and sleeping in the feather. Sipping from a cloudy, walking in the building. Diamond in the ceiling, marble on the floors. Beaches out the window, peeking out the window. Baby in the pool, Godfather goes. Only Lord knows I've been going hammer. Dodging paparazzi, freaking through the cameras. Eat it $4. Brock wearing sandals. Yoga on a Monday, stretching to the van. Watching all the snakes, curving all the fakes. Phone never own, I don't conversate, I don't compromise. I just penetrate, sex, money, murder. These are the breaks, these are the times. Level number 9, look up in the sky. Tennis on the way, tennis on the way, tennis on the way. Motherfucker, I got winners on the way. You ain't shit without a buddy on your belt. You ain't shit without a ticket on your plate. You ain't sick enough to put it on yourself. You ain't rich enough to hit the ladder skate. Tell me when destruction gonna be my fate. Gonna be your fate, gonna be your fate. Peace to the world, let it rotate. Sex, money, murder, our DNA.
Fresh out of the asylum, highest guy on the island, least widest eyes, visors hide them. I was been on the riding back in the 90s, but now it ain't likely. Now I live life for Fridays, I stole that life for mileage. You'll find me wherever that party vibe is, because what can I say? I like it. They say that I'm out of control and I'm totally lost. It's possibly gonna be costing colossally. No, I'm the boss and roll with no bossing. I'm totally confident, roll with the best on the continent. I've heard you spit, you're incompetent. Work on your confidence, clarity, presence. Times of the essence, don't need your blessings. I told you, I teach you a lesson.
Damn! Damn! Where is the scoop, nigga? Can't find the scoop, nigga. Oh, it is.